Hi, Kerry Russell here from the blog mechanic.com. Last week I set up a new WordPress blog for a client. The client is now in the process of replacing all the demo content with his own content before he actually begins driving traffic to the website. Now he wants to add his social media links to the footer area of the website. So I've just scrolled down and you can see we have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Now I've just added those links for the client, and I wanted to do this video for you because a lot of themes nowadays, they actually include social media links in the footer menu, especially Genesis themes, which I tend to work with a lot. The problem is, if I click on one of these social media links, it takes me away from the client's site to the social media profile. And that's really not ideal. You don't want to be taking people away from your blog. You want to keep them on your blog as long as you possibly can. So the best way to do this, if I go back in my browser, is to have these footer social media links open up in a new window. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to set menu items so they open up in a new window. Before I do that, you could also, this is not only useful for social media items. You may have external landing pages, for example, that you want to put in your top navigation menu. But again, you don't want to take people away from your blog, so you want to open it up in a new window. So I'll go to a different browser now. I'll go to my dashboard, just for those of you who are not familiar with working with menu items. So once you log into your WordPress blog and you go to your dashboard, go down to Appearance, go to Menus. Now we'll just wait for that to load. Now you may have more than one menu on your WordPress blog, and if you're not currently on the correct menu, just towards the top of the screen there's a drop-down menu where you can select the correct navigation menu. In my client's case, I want to select the footer menu, which we are actually already on. If it wasn't on that menu, I'd just hit the select button. So if I open up the top menu item for Facebook, you can see that there's currently no option to set this up in such a way that when a reader does click the Facebook link or any of the other social media links, that it will open up in a new window. So what you need to do from here, if you're trying to achieve the same goal for your WordPress blog, is in the top right hand corner of your screen, there's a little tab and it says Screen Options. Now just open that up, and on the bottom row, the first option, it says Link Target. Now if I select Link Target and then we go back to the first tab, you'll see that there's now a new option to open link in a new window. So I'm just going to check that. And then I'm going to do it for all the other social media items in the menu as well, like so. Oops, this one doesn't want to work. There we go. Okay, I'll click that. Now I'm going to hit the save button. Okay, go back to the client's blog. In fact, refresh the page first, otherwise it won't actually work. Scroll to the bottom, and then if I click the Facebook social media menu now, you will see that it opens in a new window. There we go. So there's the Facebook profile and there's the blog. So again, it doesn't take us away from the actual website. So the reader can follow or, browse your social media platform, your landing page, your product page, whatever that may be, but they can still very easily get back to your website. Okay, so that is how you open WordPress menus in a new window. I do hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do have any comments, do excuse me, there's a motorbike just shooting up the road there. Typical when you're doing a live video, but seeing as we're at the end of the video, there's no point redoing it again. So yes, I hope you find the video useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments in the comments box below this post. That's it from me. Bye for now.